Yes, hello everybody. Listen to this one. Today I tell you the secret about the stock market. The secret about the stock market is long-term investing. And it sounds simple, it sounds boring, it sounds not sexy, but it is really the secret. If you look at the very successful investors, some are not even really well known, but what you find very often is this long-term perspective, this buy and hold fantastic companies. You get them cheap or fair and you keep and hold on to them for decades, many decades, actually till you retire, till you die. And that's how you can build a fortune and how you can build wealth is over decades holding fantastic companies, building up dividends, and it's even kind of tax free because you don't trade it. If you look at Warren Buffett's positions, his largest positions like Coca-Cola, American Express, he holds them for decades, and he also saves on taxes because he didn't realize the gain, this huge multi-billion-dollar gain, is kind of a tax-free, and out of this kind of tax-free money, he keeps on getting dividends. So it's also, from a tax point of view, a legal way to avoid taxes. And it's nothing wrong with it. And people that trade forget about that. They pay fees, they have wrong timing, they get their emotion involved, and it hurts them. And you should really watch that stuff. People that trade don't see the point of the benefits of long-term investing, building up, keeping, getting those best days on the stock market. There's not one coming around and ringing the bell and telling you in 2 days there will be the best day on the stock market. You will miss those points if you trade. You may be at that day when the stock market will jump up 8% or whatever. You will not be around. And long term, the stock market is an engine to make money, and it's how the whole capitalistic system is built. The best way, what I think, to benefit from it, you buy fantastic companies, you get them at a fair point, and you keep on to them, you hold them till you retire or even longer, you can inherit them. And all this jumping around does not make sense. There's so many studies that show you clearly that those people that trade and they have no patience and they get in that moving in, moving out stuff, they lose. It makes also sense that it's look at the regular life. People that switch always their jobs, there's so much stuff and costs involved and time and money, and you lose. So if you have a fantastic portfolio, you just let the companies work for you. Of course, you will have some that don't perform that well, but if you diversify it, you can go through that. You can live with a bad performer. You can live with a company that doesn't do that well, and you can even live with one that completely fails. It happens sometimes. It happens sometimes they get merged or there's a takeover. But overall, if you take care, you get an index fund, for example, and you get fantastic large companies. There can also be some smaller in it, some small family business. They can perform very well over decades. Warren Buffett increased the capital of Berkshire Hathaway 20% average for half a century, and he's just buying great companies like Procter & Gamble, like IBM, like Exxon, and Coca-Cola, and he holds them. And if you do that, I mean, it's a fantastic way to make money, but you have to get the noise out of it. You have to get the emotions out of it, and you have to stick with it and let it go and let it grow your portfolio, and you will do so good over time. Sometimes I really recommend it to you. I read the blog, the portal, the web portal. It's called Fool.com, the monthly Fool. It's a great, I like it a lot. It's a great portal. It gives you great advice about long-term investing. And if that's really from the bottom of my heart, I figured it out. This trading doesn't work. I tried it myself for a while. It's a while ago. It's not working. Stick with it. The best performers, the best money machines I have in my portfolio are those I hold on to the longest. And that's not a random thing. That has nothing to do with luck, it has to do with time. And time is your friend, and just be patient. Okay, that's all for today. Bye.